As a parent, trying to decide if you should drive your child to the emergency department or call 911 is sometimes a difficult question to answer. But I would just talk about a caution, and that's if your child is truly sick or has a critical illness or a severe illness or a significant trauma, a parent should not drive their child. We've had a number of cases where a child had a seizure in a car. While the parent was driving, the parent turned around to help their child and literally crashed the car en route to the emergency department. So it's best if a parent in those circumstances where a child needs emergency medical treatment to call 911 and to get the necessary pre-hospital help. A paramedic can come to the scene, can intervene and provide first aid or emergency medical interventions, and then the parent can really be a parent. Parents are frequently allowed to ride in ambulances to be able to comfort their child, to be able to talk them through the experience, while at the same time allowing the paramedic to do their job. And so I would really recommend that the parent be a parent and the paramedic be the caregiver in that instance.